Hi friends, I want to show you my new electronic pencil. This is to use it with my iPad Pro. It's iPad Pro compatible. I want to show it to you. It comes with a USB-C charging cable. Here is the charging port, okay? It comes with an extra tip if you need it, and of course basic instructions, okay? It has a functions button in the top. It really resembles a pencil. I like it very much. The size, the weight, it's really nice. If you need to change the tip, you just unscrew it. It's really easy, as you can see, and you put the new one. It charges with the USB-C cable here, and you have a charging light indicator here. I'm gonna charge it. I am going to try it with my iPad Pro, and I will invite you to see how it works.